For offshore multi-brand troubleshooting by helicopter, we as Deutsche Windtechnik established a service hub here in Emden. Last winter, we had one dedicated troubleshooting team per wind farm. We have Rifgat, Alpha Ventus Advent and Alpha Ventus Envion. And this year, we have 2 teams with 1 team lead as an expert for each technology. We reduced the standby times of the teams, increased the availability of the turbines, but that was carried out by our site managers, who had a big effort coordinating their teams.
The main reason for the service hub here in Emden were that we are very close to the heli service, literally across the road, like 20-30 meters. We can reach it by feet, the technicians in the morning. And the other main reason, what is really important, that from this location here, from heli service, we can fly to every wind farm in the North Sea.
I prefer the helicopter because it's much more faster, and also we can handle, if we find some broken parts or some failure, we can order the same day and we can fix the turbine. So it means the turbine can be running, make some production.
I think the main reasons for the success of the project is that the whole team, doesn't matter if it's the technicians, the site managers, also the guys from the X-Service, the project manager, and all the guys I forgot now, they do a tremendous job as a team. And I think this is absolutely the main reason why we have this success here with this project.